Hello all, hope you guys are all doing well. In this video, I am going to start with a new concept of integers. Okay, so first I'll tell you what are integers. Children, integers are all the positive and the negative numbers along with 0. Like 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Then -1, -2, -3 and so on. Okay? So all this negative along with 0 and all these positive numbers, they are all called as integers. So integers are what? All those positive and the negative numbers along with 0. Okay? So children, in the number line, how we can represent this? Okay? See, remember that all the positive numbers are bigger than all the natural numbers. You can say all the natural numbers are bigger than 0. Okay? You know natural numbers? The natural numbers are those numbers that starting from 1 to infinity. Okay? Whole numbers are what? All those numbers from 0 to infinity. They are called whole numbers. Okay? And so integers are what? All the positive, negative numbers along with 0. Always remember that all the positive numbers are greater than 0. So on the number line, they comes on the right hand side. Okay? And so on. While all these negative numbers, -1 is lesser than 0, -2 is lesser than -1 and 0, so it comes in the left hand side. Okay? In the right hand side, on the right hand side, it is increasing. Okay? And on the left hand side, it is decreasing. Increasing means from smaller to bigger, and decreasing means from bigger to smaller. Okay children? जितना भी बड़ा नंबर हो जाए उसमें अगर माइनस का साइन लग जाता है तो it becomes smaller. Like here, I'm taking one example like 25 and -54. Okay? वैसे 54 is bigger than 25, but when we put a negative sign, it becomes smaller. So here 25 is lesser than 25 is bigger than -54, or vice versa. -54 is lesser than 25. तो जितना नंबर आपका राइट हैंड साइड में है on the number line, they go on in an increasing order, and on the left hand side of the number line, this gets into the decreasing order. Okay? Now I'm going to tell you that how, when we add two integers, okay, when we add two integers, how we have to place the sign, because we can add two positive integers, we can add one positive and one negative integers, or if both the integers are negative, how to add it, what we have to do with the sign. I have found that children are doing so much of mistakes in putting up sign. Okay, they are facing problem with the sign. So I'll tell you how we have to put the sign and what operation we need to do when both the integers are positive or negative, or one is positive and one is negative. Okay, let's see. Children, basically I'm going to tell you step by step so it will be more clear to you. So here, how to add two positive integers. Adding two positive integers is very, very easy. Like 45 and 54 we have to add. These are both positive integers. So simply you have to add. Okay, horizontally you can add, vertically you can add. That's your choice. Okay, it is simply 99. There is no problem in adding two positive integers. Okay, Now, how to add one positive and one negative integer. Okay, so this also I am going to explain you with an example. For example, if we are having 42 and minus 70. Okay, so here one is positive and one is negative. So when children, one is positive integer, one is negative integer, and we have to add it. Okay, but here this sign, the minus plus becomes minus. Okay, it means we have to subtract, the sign changes. Okay, प्लस माइनस, जब भी कोई एक पॉजिटिव इंटीजर और एक नेगेटिव इंटीजर होता है तो ऑपरेशन ऑफ सब्ट्रैक्शन इज कैरिड ऑन. ओके, दोनों के बीच में सब्ट्रैक्शन होता है. ओके, बिकॉज वन इज नेगेटिव इंटीजर और साइन जो लगता है वो बिगर नंबर का लगता है. जिसमें भी अगर कोई आपका जैसे 70 इज अ बिगर नंबर और उसमें नेगेटिव साइन है तो साइन विल बी ऑफ नेगेटिव. अगर कोई बिगर नंबर अगर पॉजिटिव होता तो the sign would have been positive. I'll tell you like here 70 minus 42. So it will be 28 and the sign will be minus. क्यों? क्योंकि 70 बिगर है और उसमें नेगेटिव साइन है. सो जब भी कोई एक पॉजिटिव और एक नेगेटिव इंटीजर होता है और ऑपरेशन ऑफ एडिशन चेंजेस टू सब्ट्रैक्शन एंड साइन is of bigger number. Okay, for example, if 70 minus या प्लस यहाँ पे पॉजिटिव है और ये आपका नेगेटिव है, अगर आपको 70 में minus 42 ऐड करना होता है. ओके, तो प्लस माइनस द ऑपरेशन विल बी ऑफ सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑलवेज एंड साइन विल बी ऑफ बिगर नंबर. तो प्लस माइनस माइनस, बट द साइन यहाँ पे क्योंकि यहाँ पे बिगर नंबर आपका 70 है और वो पॉजिटिव है तो यहाँ पे 28 आता है, नॉट माइनस 28 प्लस 28. यहाँ पे माइनस 28 क्यों आया? क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पे बिगर नंबर जो 70 था वो नेगेटिव था. Isn't it? That's why. Okay, so how? I hope this has been clear. Okay, now I'm going to tell how to add two negative integers. Okay, hello children, back to the video in a second, but before that I want to inform you all that I am taking online classes also. So if you are really liking my videos and you are okay with the explanation, so you can join the Telegram group of mine. The link is given in the description. Thank you. I'm going to tell you how to add now two negative integers. मान लीजिए दोनों ही आपके negative integers. I am taking minus 28 and minus 36. I have to add minus 28 to minus 36. Okay. So minus 28 plus minus 36. Okay. That's plus minus always becomes minus. Okay. अब दोनों ही इंटीजर आपके नेगेटिव हो तो हम कौन सा ऑपरेशन करेंगे? कैरी ऑन, वी विल कैरी ऑन विद द एडिशन ऑपरेशन. द ऑपरेशन ऑफ एडिशन वी विल बी कैरिंग ऑन. ओके, सो यहाँ पे minus 28 और minus 36 जो है वो ऐड होंगे, बट साइन किसका लगेगा? नेगेटिव. साइन विल बी ऑफ माइनस. ओके, जब दो नेगेटिव इंटीजर्स होते हैं हम उनको ऐड करते हैं तो ऑपरेशन ऑफ एडिशन वर्क्स ऑन. एडिशन का ऑपरेशन होता है लेकिन साइन इज ऑफ माइनस. सो यहाँ पे इट विल बी 42 कैरी ओवर 1 64 बट द साइन विल बी negative. Okay, so when both the integers are negative we carry on with the operation of addition, but the sign it takes is of negative, is negative sign. Okay children, So children, I hope this concept of addition of integers of 2 positive, 1 positive, 1 negative and 2 negative integers are clear. Because mostly I have seen that basically children are facing problem in having putting what sign or not, like they get confused whether it will be a positive sign or negative. Even this goes on in the higher classes also. They get confused now what to do. Okay, now hope this is clear to you, and if you are fine with the explanation, kindly subscribe to the channel.